This video is for fixing the Troy-built 21-inch deck, model number 11A-436M011. If that's not your mower, you have the wrong video. All right, let's begin moving this gas tank. Get a basic Phillips screwdriver. This screw here and this screw here, you're gonna take those off. You might want to also take off the pull start, so you're gonna go up here, and that unscrews the hook so you can take it out. Now you can pop the whole lid off. Look at that. Instant replay. Okay, now if you can, focus your attention on these 3 bolts that go around the perimeter of the rim that connects to the gas tank. I believe these are 5/16 size. And then, just to be a pain in the ass, Troy-built put one more that is down here in the corner, and I have no idea why, but this one is one size up. So I believe this one was 3/8. You can see here that the whole assembly is ready to come off, but the fuel line is still attached to it. Both ends of that hose are connected by a spring action hose clamp. Take pliers, and then you can undo the clamp and pop the hose off. If this isn't obvious, make sure you've already emptied the fuel tank. SUCCESS. Okay, basically now you're going to take your brand new tank that you've ordered on the internet. If I can find that replacement one, by the way, I will put that for sale in the affiliate links. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to find it. But you take your brand new tank, and you're essentially going to reverse the process that I just taught you how to do. Anyways, as always, I'm Brad Hines. Thanks for watching.